from the welcome to JavaScript. So okay, welcome to JavaScript. And let's start the theory part, right, guys? So variable, I'm going to explain you all. So what is a variable? Variable is a traditionally used to declare variable in JavaScript, but it has some issue like function scoping as opposed to block scoping, and variable declare with a where are hosted to the top of the scope during execution, which means you can use variable before it's declared in the code. Variable x is equal to 10, right? uh, Now, I'm going to explain about the let. What is a let and why you use let, right? So in uh, ESM script 6, let allow you to declare variable that are block scoped, meaning they are only accessible within the block of code where they are defined. And variable declare with the let can be reassigned, right? Right. So let y is equal to 20, and I'm going to explain you about now the const. What is the const and where you can use. So uh, I also introduced in ES6, right? Const is used to declare constants, right? The value of the const cannot be reassigned after it has been set. So, like let const is a block scope, right? Let const is a block scope. So, yeah, const z is equal to 30, right? So, variable I just declare for you all, and now come to the code part. I'm example. It is example I just wrote for you all and to understand all about. See, where is equal to 5 if true, where is equal to 10. The reassign the outer a console.log a output is equal to 10. Right. Come to the using let b is equal to 15 if true, let b is equal to 20. This create a new block scope b. I explained you about b, right? Right. So come to the c part. Using const c is equal to 25, c is equal to 30. This would result in an error because you want to reassign a constant. And what I explained to you all, the const is used to declare constant. The variable of the const cannot be reassigned after it has been set. So when const is equal to 30, is equal to 30. The const is equal to 25, is equal to 30. This would result in an error because you cannot reassign a constant. Console.log c is equal to output 25. That is over, man. I just explained you all about let, where, and const. Let's come to the question next video, and let's meet in the next video. Okay, so bye bye, take care, man.